Welcome to the 2805 Tata Harrier EV review. Experience the ultimate fusion of style, comfort, and innovative technology with the 2025 Tata Harrier EV. This luxurious electric SUV is set to redefine the EV segment. In this presentation, we'll explore the Harrier EV's sleek exterior design, premium interior features, advanced safety technology, and impressive performance capabilities. Get ready to elevate your driving experience. Exterior design. The 2025 Tata Harrier EV features a bold and aerodynamic exterior with iconic Tata design with updated front grille, new LED headlights with laser-like beam technology, 18-inch forged alloy wheels, active rear spoiler for enhanced downforce, unique Harrier EV badging. Its sleek build ensures it stands out on the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Harrier EV provides premium leather Apace seating for 5 passengers, heated and ventilated front seats, 10.25-inch touchscreen display, Tata infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, dual-zone automatic climate control, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include Tata Safety Package, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear view camera, automatic emergency braking, powertrain and performance. The 2025 Tata Harrier EV boasts dual electric motor powertrain, 300 HP, 350 lp FFT torque, 60.0610E lithium-ion battery pack, all-wheel drive system. Performance capabilities. With its advanced suspension system, electronic stability control, Tata's proprietary traction control system, the Harrier EV delivers exceptional performance. 0.6 minutes and 15 seconds. Top speed 150 mph. Range up to 300 miles, all pet. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Tata Harrier EV is available in 3 trim levels. Standard not discriminating, standard devotional pieces. Premium starting at $30,000/$40,000 USD. Limited edition starting at rough 35 lakh/$46,500 USD. Each trim offers unique features designed to enhance both style and functionality. Experience the ultimate luxurious electric SUV, the 2025 Tata Harrier EV. Elevate your drive